So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the static block. So let's start. So a static block is also called as a static initialization block. It is a block of code that runs once when the class is loaded into memory, even before the main method or any object of the class is created. Finally, the static block is also called as the static initialization block of code. Okay, and the static block executes once only when the class is loaded into the memory. Okay, and it executes before the main method. Okay, next point is it is used to initialize the static variable or perform one-time setup tasks for the class. The static block is only initialized with the static variables only. Non-static variables are not be allowed in the static block. Okay. Static block can access only static variables. Let's see some key points about the static block. So let's start. So first point is runs only once. Okay. So that means the static block executes only once, no matter how many objects of the classes are created. So as we discussed in previous points, the static block executes once only, no matter how many objects are created. Okay. Next point is before the main method. So that means it runs before the main method or any other code in the class. So basically static block executes before the main method. Okay. So the next point is no name or return type. Okay. So basically it does not have a name, okay, or any return type, and you can call it directly. Okay. So basically static block does not have any name or any return type. You can't call it directly. Okay. Next point is multiple static blocks. Okay. That means you can have multiple static blocks in the class. Okay. And they will execute in order they are being written. In a class, you can have multiple static blocks, and to execute this static block, to call this static block from the main method, and to access from the main method, no need to create any object for the static block. Okay, so simply we have to write the name of the function. Okay, the method will be called. Okay, so let's see the syntax for the static block. So we have to use the static keyword, and in curly braces you can write the logic. Okay, let's see some example. Okay, so I've created a class here called demo, and I've created a main method here. Now so let's create a method. So public static return type will be int, and function name will be sum. Okay, so in this we will pass two parameters, so int a and int b. Okay, and a plus b. Okay, so we have simply written the a plus b. Okay, this value will return to the main method. Okay, now this block I have created, it is static. Why it is static? Because the static keyword is used here. Okay, this block will execute once only. Okay, so to call the method, so we have to call it from the main method. Now to call the method, we will directly call the name of the method. So that is sum, and here we have to pass the parameters. So let's say 5 and 5. Okay. So we have called the function from the main method. Okay. And take a note, the static block deals with the class. Okay. So that's why no need to create any object for the class. Okay. Call the method directly by its name. Okay. So let's run the code and see what will be the output. So as you can see, the output that I have get is 10. Okay. The 5 plus 5 it is 10. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.